Next question. Consider following information. Current value of the portfolio is 5 lakhs. Beta of the portfolio is 3. Futures index value is 1000. Lot size is 50. What will be percentage change in the value of the portfolio if market return reduces by 10%? What is the amount of the short position required in the index futures if the market is likely to fall by 10%? How many futures contracts should be sold? That is a question. So we are required to make the calculation of answer. Again, the required beta is not given. So assuming that the required beta is 0, we will make calculation of answer. So let us see answer of the first question. Calculation of percentage change in RJ with market return decreases by 10%. So in that case, percentage change in RJ is equal to beta into percentage change in RM. What is beta value? Beta value is 3. And what is percentage change in RM? That is negative 10%. So it is negative 30%. That is the answer of the first question. Second question is amount of the short position. So we understand that the loss in existing portfolio is equal to profit in index futures. Okay, what is the loss in existing portfolio? We understand that it would be 5 lakhs into negative 10% into 3. This is the loss. Is equal to profit in indexes X into negative 10%. Because when the market is falling by 10%, that profit should be enough to compensate the loss. So now we understand and say this 10% and 10% is getting cancelled. So we understand that the X is equal to rupees 15 lakhs. That is the way we can make the computation of the number of contracts to be entered upon. Sorry, amount of the short position. Again, over here we make an assumption that the required risk is 0. Answer of the third question. Number of contracts. The number of contracts to be entered upon will be found like this. It is the amount and number of contract. One contract is equal to an amount of rupees 50,000. That is 1000 into 50. So this is the number of contracts for an amount of 15 lakhs. So over here it is 15 lakhs into 1. Into 1 does not make a sense. Divided by 50,000. That comes to 30. Okay. Or otherwise we can compute the answer like this. Value of the portfolio into beta of the portfolio minus beta required divided by futures index value into lot size. What is the value of the portfolio? It is an amount of rupees 5 lakhs. Beta of the portfolio is C, 3. Beta required is 0. Whole divided by futures index value is 1000 and lot size is 5050. That comes to an amount of 15 lakhs divided by 50,000. So the answer is 30 contracts. So this is the way number of contracts to be entered upon can be calculated. Okay. So again the answer is done, and again we can do a cross verification of the answer. So we can say that calculation of overall profit or loss, comma, if market is falling down by 10%. So the profit or loss would be divided into two parts. One is the portfolio and another is market. Sale value, that is an amount of 30 lakhs, that is the amount of the short position. Purchase value, it is 30 lakhs minus 10%, that comes to 27 lakhs. As far as the portfolio is concerned, value of the portfolio is 5 lakhs. With the reduction in the market by 10%, the portfolio value reduces by 30%. So in that case it comes to 3,50,000. So there is a loss of 1,50,000. Oh sorry, sale value is 15 lakhs. The amount of the short position is 15 lakhs. Number of contracts are 30. So 1000 into 5050 into 30. So 15 lakhs minus 10%. 13,50,000. So there is a profit of 1,50,000. So profit or loss and overall profit or loss 0. That is the way we can compute the profit or loss. So again a small summary of the working. First of all, computation of the percentage change in the return of the portfolio when the market decreases by 30%. Then amount of the short position 15 lakhs, that is a loss in the existing portfolio to be compensated with the profit in index futures. Number of contracts that can be calculated by one of the two methods, that comes to 30 contracts. Calculation of the overall profit or loss in the portfolio and in the market. So whatever the loss that we have in the portfolio will be compensated from the profit in the index futures. And that is the way, so the overall risk reduces to 0.